Hey everyone, this is Anna here, and in this video I will show you how I go about painting the outline of my drawing here using an oil resist. This is part of a technique called Cuerda seca or dry rope. If you're not familiar with this technique, you can check out my 3-part video explaining in detail what Cuerda seca is from start to finish. I also show you how to make your own mixture with oil, or you can use wax resist, which is commonly used and readily available. You can purchase black wax resist. Now, I like the oil mixture because it glides and flows very nicely onto the surface, as you can see here. To me, I've tested several methods and I like this one the best. Now you can see here I'm going over my drawing, which I showed earlier how I transfer the drawing into the pottery surface. I like to use just freehand, but I do get a lot of questions about what's the best way to transfer a drawing into the pottery. And I showed here that I used a soft charcoal pencil to transfer. To me, that's the one that works the best. I like to freehand, and sometimes I use a sketch pad and I sketch it beforehand so I know my composition and what I want to do. And then I can go over and freehand right onto the surface. Now in this mixture I have red iron oxide and black iron oxide, which I wanted to see what it would look like on this red clay. Also, I'm cleaning up here some lines that I made a mistake using a sgraffito tool from Diamond Core Tools, and it works really well. Or you can use an X-Acto knife, it also works. I am painting this hummingbird using 4 different colors. What's nice about the Mayco Stroke and Coat glazes is that you can mix them together to create a new color. I'm using a dark blue on his head called Caribbean blue, and on his wings I'm using jaded, and mixed in a little bit below, close to his tail and the tail, I am mixing jaded with blue isle. Then on his body, I'm using sun-kissed yellow with a little bit of green called leaping green. So I think that's a nice effect by mixing the colors, so you don't have just one solid color. And I've done the same thing on the hibiscus flowers as well. I believe I used 2 tones. Same thing with some of the leaves. Another reason why I wanted to make this tester is I am trying to make a straight up firing from greenware. So I'm painting on greenware right here. And these glazes can do that. You can just do a single firing rather than having to fire when on a bisqued piece. So I'm curious to see if it will work. And if it does, that would be great because it would save a lot of time and money too, because it's a single firing. So with this technique. So sadly, right after I recorded this video, I went to take my phone off of the stand, and the phone just dropped right on top of this cup after so long, so much work. But it is a tester, so it chipped close to where the bird is, and it cracked. I believe it was all the way to the bottom, but it's still, I put it in the kiln, and we'll see the results. I will share the results with you all soon. And thanks for watching my videos. I would love to know what you guys are making, if you have been able to follow along this technique. And if you like my tutorial videos, please consider subscribing. That would be greatly appreciated, and that will help me continue making these videos. Thanks again for watching.